Stay up on the gully even through the storm. Me like with Alkaline. You never hear him come out and a fight over King.
In this big cake sale with you, Tony Mataran, and Foota Hype. In a one big cake sale, like, come on.
Big up in yourself, my peeps. Yeah, man. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. And today, we are talking about Movado again. Movado, they are yard. Yeah, man. Welcome home, Movado. Yes. We are talking about Rasta Murray. Yeah. We talk about Alkaline. A girl could talk about Alkaline. I say how Alkaline choose for him road smartly. And for him part and for him name them smartly. You have a thing for him talk about that. Yes. And we have the great one Kiven. Yes, we don't know if I enemy them or a content in my bill. But him attack Foota Hype and Mataran and some selectors. See, I was cake sale alone him can there. Yes. So today, big up yourself, my people. And welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps. And check out Movado. Yeah, man. Movado Depan. BBC Radio. Yeah, man. And I get an interview. And I talk about him past and him times a yard. Yes. Some memories where him go through and some things where him go through. I him alone can explain it better. My peeps, check out Movado. Yeah, man. Japan BBC Radio. Yes, my people, check him out.
Jamaica is a blessed country, you know. This is not the first or the second or the last time that we've been through, you know. That's why I sang the song, Day up on the gully, even through the storm. I actually sing that song because I was in Jamaica. I think that was
Ivan. See, you wrote
and
that.
Listen, I was in my community, going through, driving me and my friends, and I were chop off trees off of people's house.
Yeah.
And I clear up a community. You know what I mean? When that same song, even if I left the gully. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we've been through it. We've been through the Gilbert. We've been through everything. You know, God always bless Jamaica. It's just for us to start the unity more and, you know.
Without you being there, what would the island be like right now? Is everybody coming together to rebuild and clean up, and is that the Jamaica that you know?
No, yeah, that's the Jamaica that we are.
Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. Movado, Billy vibes. And him talk how him feel. Yeah, man. And that's some reality and some facts. Yeah, man. You know when them things here go on and everything. Yeah, man. Big up to the Gully side. Always. Yes, my peeps. And when you check out Rasta Murray, I'm going to talk about Alkaline. I'm going to give him views. Him no say my Alkaline fans, him no say my Cartel fans, him no say my Movado fans, him no say my Massacre fans. But check it out because that man, you know, if him not have nothing good to say, him nobody say nothing, him just shut him out. It happens to my people. So check out Rasta Murray. Boom!
You know what me like with Alkaline? You never hear him come out and a fight over king and goat status. Him just say him a the champion boy. And him a boss to every boss. And done for every done. And you see them two statements there. You can't go on it. No, sir. Alkaline made those two statements to his claim and just kick back. And no guy can't go in that youth lane and go claim none of that what him say. You ever hear another man come out and say them are the champion boy? Or them a boss for every boss and done for every done? But every man will come out and say them a king. It bring conflict between man and man. And every man will come out and say them a goat. It bring conflict between man and man. But Alkaline, the champion boy, boss for every boss, done for every done, Man in a lane, man. Well, kick back and I observe and I watch. And no found no like when they call Alkaline name, you know. But a phone no business that. One can hide from reality. That me have to tell you now. Me, shocking Murray said that.
Yes, my babes, that is it for Rasta Murray. Yeah, man. And when it come to one Kevin, I don't know. I want to him and Foota Hype. And this selector we have image. I don't know what I go on. I don't know. I don't know what I go on. None at all. What I go on. I always stick at them. I always at them some way at all. Anything they do, anything they say, remember say, if you don't like it, none at all. Yes, my peeps. So you where I say, I go check out Kevin. Yeah, attack him, attack the dog them. See them a cake sale alone them can go. One dog outside there, man. Crazy, you know. Crazy. Yes, my peeps. So check out the one Kevin. Boom.
Cabra, right now your career just come like Foota Hype career. Nobody now use, you know. We see you there in a dance with him in a this big cake sale with you, Tony Mataran and Foota Hype in a one big cake sale. Like, come on. You there come and talk about a them and run. Run what? Foota Hype a king of what? King of him mama. Foota Hype not king of nothing, brother. You understand? A magic boy. None on a waste man, brother. On a career park up a long time and buck up in a some place. You know come like some old truck we park up a long time. You come like the train them but they did dead downtown went away a little pitney. And now them train they can't move. I want to know brother. When they stop come going like said them money I really do something or them a do some numbers out here. Them not do numbers out here, them not even get bookings. You understand? Right now, if you really check who are the fireest DJ out here right now, and Tony Mataran, and no Foota Hype. Them man are nobody brother. So, eat up out of something the way you're in right now. You're losing your senses or what, mad cabra. Don't do that something here, bro. You see me? When I step out on the internet, no one step out count.
Yes, my peeps. That the Rasta man happy saying. Yes, my peeps. Big up yourself. And that way, Foota Hype happy say. And that Movado happy say. Yeah, man. You see it? Anything Rasta Murray saying, if him not nothing good to say, now come out, come beat you like that, you know. Man, always find something good out of it. Look care how bad it look. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps. So, if you like more like this, like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Tell me anything you want, tell me say. I feel no way. Yeah, man. Whether bad or good. Now go vibes are back. Now go put on no eat. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Yardman TV. News and entertainment. A mouth. Boom.